Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is another video kind of talking about, kind of a scam alert, because I think in these times of, with all that's happening around the world, it's maybe time to once again make sure that everybody is not just safe from all of this, but is safe online. And there's an increase in scams coming from the internet with all of this. So if you have people that you know could easily be, scammed by some of these situations that I will talk about, please share, let everybody know, because it's very important. First of all, remember very basic rule. The governments, the IRS, the revenue agency, the taxes, whatever, never contact you by email and ask you personal questions. Never, ever. It's not like that. Never will they also send you a text message on your phone. This is going on real strong right now. So the first scam that is very popular right now, with the governments talking about aid and sending money to help everybody that might be in financial difficulty, there's a email going on saying that it's from the IRS or it's from the US government or the Canadian government or whatever government you are under the rule in the world. And every country is affected. And of course, it's personalized for every country. And it says that, we have the money waiting for you, but we need you to answer some personal questions so we can actually make a deposit in your bank account. This is a scam. It doesn't happen like that. Remember, if you are asking for help, the government has its own way of doing this, and usually it is with going online to a specific website that the government itself has made, and you will not receive an email to tell you that you've got to go there at all. This is a scam. Make sure that you go with the government websites that they tell you to go manually by yourself, because they're not sending you emails. No one is sending you emails to tell you to go somewhere. The other scam going on, text messages. It's getting very, very popular. Two or three different ones right now. One is, of course, tax season is here. One is, of course, about, we made a mistake, so we'd like to deposit some money in your account, but please click the link and fill out the information. The government already has that information. It doesn't need it again. It already has everything it needs. This is also a scam. It's going on strong. Text message saying that government help is on the way. You need to give your personal information. All of that. It's all scams. Governments and government agencies do not text you, and they do not email you. Be aware of fake websites that could pop up with some of the websites that might have security problems and that look like the official government site for some help or some information. These are probably fake. Nothing like making sure that you check the URL or the address at the top in the address bar. One of the easiest ways to know that you're at the right place is simply to go in your browser and to check what is the address that's here at the top. Is it the real one that the government told you to go to for the help? Or it's some weird, funky thing? That is one way of knowing that you're not on the right website. Make sure that everybody knows that there's a lot of scams going on right now. And bad guys are, hackers and bad guys and thieves online are active now. And imagine if there's less jobs and less money going on, there's even more bad guys online trying to get your money. There's an increase in scams. It's very important to stay safe. And remember, the government never will contact you for anything by email or by phone or by text message. So stay safe, my friends. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.